Oh, the combination of the B58 and the manual with the top down? Yes! Now, unfortunately, I only have a few minutes with this car, so I don't get to have a full driving experience with it, but I will get to drive it around for a couple miles to take it to where it needs to be shipped off to its next location. Now, I'm going to try to do my best to review the feel of the stick shift, but it's going to be hard in just the couple miles I get to drive it. So be sure to like this video and subscribe to BMW Blog so that you can be the first one to see that full review in the near future. Hello everyone, and welcome to sunny Florida and the Amelia Island Concourse. I'm Nate with the BMW Blog, and this is the 2025 BMW Z4 M40i Roadster. And not just any Roadster, but the Handschalter package, which features the 6-speed manual gearbox. This package not only includes the 6-speed manual gearbox, it also has unique suspension tuning, and for the first time, a staggered wheel setup with 19 inches up front and a massive 20 inches in the rear with a 285 width tire. And it also comes with unique colors, including San Remo Green Metallic, which is only available in this package. Now, we all know that the new Z4 is a soft top, but that benefits this car a lot with its power to weight ratio. And it allows the top to come up quite quickly. And since everyone likes to watch the top go up and down, we'll just go ahead and put it back down because we are in Florida. There we go. One cool thing about this manual is it does allow for you to adjust the settings of it. In sport mode, if you go to configure individual, you'll see there's a gear shift assistant. So just like in the M2, there is a little throttle matching there for you to help you if you're not as in tuned with the manual transmission as some of us are. It still allows for some great rev matching, which makes it a lot easier, and just so you can enjoy the drive a little bit more. And what's nice is with just one tap of your finger, you can do all the heel toe rev matching that you want. The B58, which has 382 horsepower, sounds amazing with the top down. Okay, initial feel. Clutch is, you know, medium weighted, not too heavy, but it's got a nice short throw to it. I think it's a little shorter throw than the M2. The throws are nice and short. It's got a nice click when it slides into gear. It's positioned very well. A lot of times, you know, the shifters are a little too long and I'm holding my arm up, but my arm's nice and flat on the center console, which is nice. It's got a nice weighted gear shifter on there. You can definitely tell it's a little notchier than the M2. Oh, the combination of the B58 and the manual with the top down? Yes! You can hear that rev match on the downshift. Oh man. Listen to that. So good. This is such a great combination. Clutch engagement's really good. Gives it just a nice little pop every time you let it out. Okay, I lied. It wasn't a couple miles. It was like 1 mile. but that was one great mile. The 0 to 60 in the manual is 4.2, and the package will run you $3,500. Starting this month, they become available. This is going to be a fun car to have.